If the Hulu app on your Windows 11 PC keeps crashing, won't open, gets stuck on a loading screen, or shows unexpected errors, don't worry. In most cases, the issue can be fixed without contacting support. In this video, I'll show you several methods to repair, reset, and reinstall the Hulu app so you can get back to streaming your favorite shows and movies. Let's get started. Repair the Hulu app. First, click the Start menu and open Settings. In Settings, select Apps and then open Installed Apps. Locate Hulu in the list of installed applications. Click the three-dot menu next to Hulu and select Advanced Options. Scroll down until you find the Reset section. If the app isn't working correctly, Windows provides a repair option that can fix common issues without removing your data. Click Repair and allow Windows a few moments to complete the process. Once finished, try opening Hulu again. Reset the Hulu app. If repairing the app doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to reset it. Under the same Reset section, click Reset. Keep in mind that resetting the app will remove stored app data, preferences, and sign-in information from your device. Confirm the reset and wait for Windows to complete the process. After that, launch Hulu again and check if the issue has been resolved. Reinstall the Hulu app. If Hulu still isn't working properly, reinstalling the app is usually the most effective solution. Return to the Hulu app settings page and click Uninstall. Confirm the removal and wait for Windows to uninstall the app completely. Once finished, open the Microsoft Store. Use the search bar to search for Hulu. Select the official Hulu application and click Get to download and install it again. The installation process may take a few moments depending on your internet connection. Sign back into Hulu. After the installation is complete, launch the Hulu app. Enter your account credentials and sign back into your Hulu account. You should now be able to stream normally without crashes, loading issues, or startup errors. And that's how to fix the Hulu app if it's not working on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to Tech Gitter for more Windows 11 tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.